So alright guys, as you can see, this is our blog. This is how it's looking. It's not looking professional. To me personally, I don't like this. We need to make this blog to look professional. So for us to do that, we need to go back to our dashboard. Okay, you see where they wrote a theme, you click on it, then you can see where they wrote customize. This is the theme that is showing up on our blog right now. So there is other free ones here you can actually use if you want, but to me, I don't like all these free theme provided by Blogspot. Okay, so for me to actually customize this now, I need to download another theme, so I will upload it on my website. So for me to do that, let me open on a new tab, then I search Blogspot theme, Blogspot theme. Okay, click on it. There is a lot of free theme here. I click on it. Let's go there, actually see the one that we are going to use. So if you are getting any value on this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Okay, we're going to actually use this one to be file. There's our display here. We click on close. So don't worry, everything we are going to be doing here is absolutely free. As you can see, if you want to buy this theme, you can buy for more features, but we are not actually buying this theme. We need to download the free version. Okay, we click on download. Okay, already download free version. Okay, so we also go back on our dashboard, then we hit customize, restore. You click on restore, then you can see you can upload a theme from a file on your computer. Okay, so if you are using phone to create this website, you can actually create this website with your phone, but uploading this theme, you need a laptop to do that. Okay, take note. So I click on upload, then this is actually the theme that we are going to be using now. Okay, sorry, this is custom file. Let's go for all files. Okay, this is the theme. Okay, sorry. So it open, restoring theme. Okay, we give it a Y, restore theme. So let's check our blog now and see. Wow, see how our blog is looking now, professional. So all this is demo content. You can see homepage, about us, contact us. All these things is demo content, even features. So we need to, do you see, they even leave their link here, template if.com. You can actually buy it here, but we are not buying anything. So we need to go back now. We need to customize all these things.
So guys, I believe by now you guys will get experience on how to create a website and change your theme to look professional. So on my next video we are going to start customizing this theme, because all the content here is actually a demo content. So I'm going to remove it and start setting it properly the way it's going to be looking, and create our necessary pages like about us page, terms and condition, contact us page, and every damn thing. So I'm going to be actually showing you guys. So that is going to be the part 3 of this video. I'm going to be taking everything one by one so you guys actually understand what I'm doing. So that is it. I believe by now you can create your own website and actually customize your own theme. Thank you for watching. See you soon on the part 3 of this video.